7th standard unit 3 changes around us. இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, when a woolen yarn is knitted to get a sweater, the change can be classified as dash. Answer option A, physical change. Second one, dash of the following are endothermic changes. Answer option C, evaporation and melting. Third one, the chemical change is dash. Option C, answer cow dung to biogas. Fourth one, dash is an example of a periodic change. Option C, answer occurrence of tides in seas. Fifth one, dash is not a chemical change. Option D, answer melting of polar ice caps. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, filling up a balloon with hot air is a dash change. Answer physical change. Second one, stretching a gold coin into a ring is a dash change. Answer physical change. Third one, opening a gas cylinder knob converts dash fuel into dash fuel, liquid fuel into gas fuel. This is an example of dash change. Answer physical change. Fourth one, spoiling of food is a dash change. Answer chemical change. Fifth one, respiration is a dash change. Answer periodic change. Third Roman letter, true or false? If false, give the correct answer. First one, cutting of cloth is an example of a periodic change. The statement is false. The correct statement, cutting of cloth is an example of a physical change. Second one, take a glass of water and freezing it by placing it in the freezer is a chemical change. The statement is false. The correct statement, taking a glass of water and freezing it by placing it in the freezer is a physical change. Third one, a bean plant collecting sunlight and turning it into bean seeds is an example of physical and non-periodic change. The statement is false. The correct statement, a bean plant collecting sunlight and turning it into a bean seed is an example of chemical and periodic change. Fourth one, if the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged and the appearance or the shape of a substance change, it is called a periodic change. The statement is false. The correct statement, if the chemical properties of a substance remain unchanged and the appearance or shape of a substance changes, it is called a physical change. Fifth one, tarnishing of silver is an example of endothermic change. The statement is false. Tarnishing of silver is an example of chemical change. Next one, fourth Roman letter, match the following. Match the following answer and the tabular column மாதிரி எழுதிக்கோங்க. ABCன்னு மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. First one, melting. Changes of state from solid to liquid. Next one, the ice cube to water. Second one, condensation. Change of state from gas to liquid, steam to water drops. Third one, evaporation. Change of state from liquid to gas. Next one, the water to steam. Fourth one, freezing. Change of state from liquid to solid. Next one, the formation of ice cube. Fifth one, periodic change. Next one, the occurrence at regular time intervals. Then ticking of clock. Then sixth one, non-periodic change. Occurrence at irregular time intervals. Then collecting flowers. Fifth Roman letter, classify the following changes, physical and chemical change. A rough piece of wood is sanded and polished, resulting in change in texture. Rusting of an iron nail. Then painting the grill. Bending a paper clip. Pounding silver into the thin plate, rolling the chapati rough into thin wire. Then occurrence of day and night eruption of volcano, burning of matchstick, dosa from the batter, blinking of eyelids, occurrence of a thunderstorm, rotation of the earth, formation of eclipses. Physical changes. First one, a rough piece of wood is sanded and polished, resulting in change in texture. Second one, painting the grill. Third one, bending a paper clip. Fourth one, pounding silver into thin plate. Fifth one, rolling the chapati dough into thin layer. Sixth one, blinking of eyelids. Next one, the chemical changes. First one, rusting of an iron nail. Second one, burning of matchstick. Third one, dosa from the batter. Periodic changes. First one, occurrence of day and night. Second one, rotation of the earth. Third one, formation of eclipses. Then non-periodic change. First one, eruption of volcano. Second one, occurrence of a thunderstorm. Sixth one, analogy. First one, physical change, boiling, chemical change. Then rusting of iron. Second one, wood to sawdust. Dash, physical change. Wood to ash. Next, chemical change. Third one, forest fire. Answer, non-periodic change. Then change on the change in period in a school. Then periodic change. Seventh Roman letter, very short answer type question. First question, state two examples of periodic changes. First one, rotation and revolution of the earth. Second one, beating of the heart. Second one, mention any two exothermic reactions. First one, water freeze into ice by giving out heat. Then second one, steam condense into water by giving out heat. Third question, cold milk is heated and it becomes hot. Which type of change it is? Answer, cold milk when heated becomes hot. It is a physical change. Fourth one, what type of change is artificial ripening of fruit? Artificial ripening of fruit involves the use of chemicals. It is a chemical change. Fifth question, what type of change is coloring of a paper? Coloring of paper is a physical change. Sixth question, growing of nails is a periodic change. Why? Nails keep growing little by little every day. The growth is repeated as long as one is alive. So the growing of nail is a periodic changes. Seventh one, what type of energy changes is associated when ice melts? Ice absorbs heat and becomes water. It is an endothermic energy change. Melting of ice involves change in state. Solid state is changed into liquid state. It is a physical change. Eighth Roman letter, short answer type questions. First question, distinguish physical and chemical changes. First one, the physical changes. Physical changes are the change in which only physical properties of a substance undergo a change and there is no change in its chemical composition. Changes that occur with the formation of new substance with different chemical compositions are called chemical changes. They are associated with the evolution or absorption of heat or light energy. Second question, how can a change occur in a substance? A change may occur in color, state and texture of a substance. Physical properties such as luster, then malleability and ductility, density, viscosity, solubility, mass, volume undergo some change. Third question, can you suggest a method to collect water from seawater? Seawater can be boiled and the steam that comes out must be cooled. When steam condenses, it becomes water. This water is pure and is free from salts. This process is known as distillation. Fourth question, is solar eclipse a periodic change? Give your reason. The earth and the moon revolves around the sun. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth is engulfed in the shadow of the moon. This is called solar eclipse. It occurs at regular intervals, so it is called a periodic change. Fifth question, what is the difference between dissolution of sugar and burning of sugar? First one, dissolution of sugar is a physical change. The sugar dissolves in water, sets deposited under the water after some time. This is only a temporary change. Second point, when sugar is burnt, it undergoes chemical change and only black carbon remains as it residue. We cannot get back sugar from it. So it is called a chemical change. Ninth Roman letter, long answer type question. First one, explain the following statement. Digestion is a chemical change. Answer, digestion is a chemical change. The food we eat is chewed in the mouth. The enzymes in the saliva bring about some changes in the food. Then it goes to the stomach. It is broken down into smaller and smaller components. A number of enzymes and a smaller components. A number of enzymes play important role in digesting carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. The smaller substances are absorbed by small intestine. Then they join the bloodstream. Thus, during digestion, many changes takes place in the food we eat, from the enzymes in saliva to the enzymes in the stomach. Many enzymes act on the food and bring about chemical changes. These changes are permanent and irreversible. So, digestion is called a chemical change. Second question, how the iron blade is fixed into a wooden handle in tools used to dig the soil. Answer, it is not easy to fix a wooden handle into hole in the iron blade. To fix it, they heat the whole of the iron blade. When it is heated sufficiently, the hole in the iron blade expands. Now 1. End of the wooden handle is inserted into the hole easily. Then cool water is sprayed on the iron blade. On cooling, the hole contracts and it grips the wooden handle tightly. This kind of heating and cooling brings about a physical change. 10th Roman letter, higher order thinking questions. First one, peeled and unpeeled banana does not look the same. Does the mean peeling banana is a chemical change? Answer, a peeled banana is exposed to air. It reacts with the gases in the air and changes color. So, with the peeled banana undergoes a chemical change. As the unpeeled banana is protected by a skin, it doesn't undergo any change. Second question, a very hot glass on putting in cold water cracks. What does this change indicates? A hot glass is in an expanded state. When cold water is put it in the hot glass, shrinks suddenly. As a result, it cracks. This is a physical change brought about by the heat and coldness. The glass may crack, but it does not undergo any chemical change. Third question, boiling of water is a physical change, but boiling of egg is a chemical change. Why? The boiling water becomes steam. When the steam is cooled, we get water once again. This is a change of state and it is a physical change. But when the egg is boiled, the content of the egg undergoes permanent, irreversible chemical change. We cannot bring the egg to its former position. So it is called a chemical change. 11th Roman letter, assertion and reason type question. First one, assertion. The explosion of firecracker is a physical change. Reason, a physical change is a reversible change. Answer option D. A is false but R is true. Second one, assertion. The process of conversion of liquid water to its vapor by heating the liquid is called boiling. Reason, the process of conversion of water vapor to liquid by cooling the vapors is called condensation. Answer option B. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. Third question, assertion. Burning of wood log to charcoal is a physical change. Reason, the products formed of burning a piece of wood can be easily converted back to wood log. Answer, first one, burning of wood into charcoal is a chemical change. The charcoal cannot be converted into a wooden log. So both assertion and reason are false. Fourth one, assertion. The formation of iron oxide from iron is a chemical change. Reason, for the rust to form from iron, it must be exposed to air and water. Answer option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Fifth one, assertion. A drop of petrol when touched with finger gives a chill feeling. Reason, the above phenomenon is an endothermic one. Answer option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 12th Roman letter, picture based questions. First one, observe the picture and list down the changes that are accompanied in the picture. Option A, solid wax becomes liquid. Then option B, the liquid turns into gas and pumps. Then option C, the molten liquid wax condenses into solid wax at the bottom. Second question, observe the picture containing a kettle and note that it is a salt water in it and answer the following question. Option A, what is the name of the process that is done to the kettle? Boiling. Option B, what will happen to the content of the kettle? Water in the kettle becomes steam. Option C, what kind of changes occurred on the cold surface of the metal plate? Answer, a physical change called condensation. Then option D, what can you say about the quality of water that is obtained in the beaker? Answer, the water obtained in the beaker is pure. It is free from all kind of salts.